Okay, I just got the DJI Mic Mini, and this is going to be an unboxing and hopefully a test. Ironically, I'm filming this on a Pocket 3, but I didn't bother to use the Mic 2, which I have. So we'll have this as a comparison. I was shocked how fast this shipped. I ordered it Wednesday, and it got here yesterday, Black Friday, from Kentucky, I believe. So didn't have to go through customs. I figured it was going to take weeks to get it, and that's probably why I ordered it. And side note, I ordered just the transmitter and mic, not the whole kit, because I'm trying to curb this behavior of mine of overbuying accessories. And the only problem is I have upgrade-itis, which means when I don't buy the top of the line, top of the line of a particular item, say the full tilt, dual transmitter, receiver, charging case, I regret not doing that. But as an experiment, I did that with the Mic 2. I didn't buy the Creator combo because I was trying to avoid getting stuck in that trap, and I figured it was more cost effective for me to get the Mic 2 separately with just the regular Osmo 2. Pocket 3. Pocket 3. God, it's early. And on another side note, I have the Pocket 2, which I went whole hog, got every single accessory, anamorphic lenses, everything, and I don't use the anamorphic lens. I hardly use the Pocket 2, so when I got the Pocket 3, I just didn't want to get stuck in that trap, and I'm glad I got this. And by the way, I got this used, or I should say open box, and so that's the only reason why I didn't get the Creator combo, because the price I got this Pocket 3 for, plus this mic, was really, really, really good and much cheaper. And I don't need the extra battery handle and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, total side note. Here's the unboxing. Nice case. And hold on. The Mic 2 transmitter came with this really nice case. And I have yet to find a use for this case, but it's such a nice case. And I've learned over the years to not throw away cases like this, because I was trying to not hoard things, but then I realized I invariably end up buying separate cases when I already had them, and I can deal with having logos. So here are the two cases, and this is this has got to be the transmitter. This has got to be the transmitter. Sorry, I'm like never done an overhead shot like this with the Pocket 3, which is clamped to a shelf on my desk. And that epiphany of knowing I can clamp it on the shelf was great. Oh, I mean, it looks way bigger in the box than it does. Yeah, because it's crazy. And take that's the receiver with the dial, 0 gain, -9, -6. Just reading it this way. -6, -12, +6. Not as much granularity as I was hoping. Nice little cute little clip. Power on. I'll have to power this. Oh, and that's the thing. I didn't want the charging case, and figured, oh, just like the Pocket, the Mic 2, I could just plug in a USB-C 3. But luckily, I think it might have been Jevin Dobie that mentioned this. Since the transmitter is so small. I mean, it's so small. You would think this is like a accessory that you're gonna just toss or leave in the box and not realize, like, oh my goodness, this is nuts. This is absolutely nuts. it's not even half the size. It's like 45% the size of the, yeah, it's 40% the size because you gotta figure the width. I mean, that's just ridiculous. It's not much bigger than the magnet. This feature I love, by the way. It's literally not much bigger than the magnet from the Mic 2. How cute is that? They said this magnet is stronger than this one. The larger surface area of this neodymium magnet, but still, that is just totally cute. So anyway, back to the charging thing. Since it's so small, then it doesn't have a it doesn't have a USB. You can't fit a USB-C port on this. It has a magnetic little charging base, which is really cool. Blink. Very cool. What else we got? Oh, it does come with this. I thought it didn't, so I'm pretty sure this USB-C adapter plugs into here. You take this off. This is actually the kind of interface they used with the Pocket 2 to slide off the joystick, and this is how you would plug it into your Pocket 2 directly into your phone. So you would have basically a wired connection, or hard wired connection, and then this goes on here, and that slides into your phone or whatever device you have. I thought this was going to be extra, and I kind of like kicked myself for not ordering it. But again, I was like, I'll just wire it into my Sony camera. It's very cool. Did not know that it was going to come with that. Hopefully that is what that interface is for. I can't imagine it being for anything else. So this can be plugged straight into your Insta360 Action 2 or Ace Pro 2. I have an Ace Pro 1. I'm not sure if that one allows hard USB connections, but I actually bought a wired headphone jack adapter for that. Again, buying so many different accessories. This is the wind muff. Comparatively speaking to this is kind of the only thing aesthetically I don't like about this. This wind muff works great, and I'm sure it is the minimum size to cover and be effective for the Mic 2, but it's just aesthetically not pleasing. And one of the reasons why I wanted the Mic Mini mic, or Mic Mini, is aesthetically it's much smaller. In fact, I tried the DJI lavalier mic, and I frankly thought the sound quality sucked, and so I returned it. And I'm hoping, and from all the reviews I've heard, that this sounds great, and aesthetically it just takes the place of a little lavalier mic. Actually, here's one. This is my favorite lavalier mic. It is I believe it is a Ceramonics. Anyway, it was a cheap microphone. Actually, this isn't Ceramonics. This is some kind of cheap brand that I tested a whole bunch of lavalier mics, and this one was my favorite to my ear. And the only thing I don't like about it has a long cord, which can be a benefit, but also the clip kind of holds the mic in a weird spot. And I mean, to compare, and just the convenience of having this and no wire and just clipping this onto my shirt is going to be hopefully great. And I think I've seen some people wear this with a necklace, which I tried to do since I do a lot of my videos without a shirt. I clipped this to it was what's his name? The calisthenics guy. Just drawing a blank, but he wore a very tight, cinched rope around his neck, basically, and clipped this to it. It was very, very clever use of a lav, as opposed to wrapping the lav around your neck and then clipping it on as a necklace and having the clip break eventually break the wire. And these are just it's nice. This is a really nice. This is a very nice right angle TRR or TRS cable. Very nice. And your ubiquitous USB. Oh, it's a 2-header? Oh, this is going to come in handy. I'll use this for something else. It's a 2-head USB-C cable, in case you had two of these. So that's the unboxing. I'll do a test later. I gotta go train. Yeah, this is the case for the mic too. But here we are. It's really, really nice. This is anything else? Nope, that's it. This is very nice.